make her head no. She's a happy little thing today. She got the hiccups and laughing at Sadie at the same time. It stopped. She's gonna hit it. I just know it. I hope she's looking at the dog.